Okay, so that's the second part of our installation um, video. So now for all the Mac and the Windows, so you should have the database and the table in your database. Okay, so next we want to import some data into your table. So I already uploaded the data sets we need to import onto Canvas. So you can go to the Canvas and download this ubs.csv. So you click on that. And so download this CSV onto your computer. Okay. And drag this to the desktop. Okay, so we can import the data set by going to the UBS table. So we right click on the UBS and we want to import some data. So click on import data. So it will ask for the sources of the data set. So in this case, we will import from the CSV file. You click on CSV and click on next. And we will ask for the file. You choose the file, so ubs.csv. That should be on your desktop. Click on open and click on next. Okay, so on the mapping, so tables mapping, so you need to decide to mapping the data from the source to the destination, to the target. So we can do so by click on columns. Okay, so we need to revise the default settings. So for the targeted column, we want to put into the user ID, the item ID, category ID, user behaviors, and the timestamp. Okay, also double check the target tab. So integer, 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 varchar 4, and integer. And then we'll click OK. So you can also preview to make sure that the data matches correctly. So preview the data. It'll give you like about 100 records. And click on. Okay, I just got some visitors, so let's continue to our lecture, not lecture. So okay, so once you have the preview data, so everything looks fine to you, and then you click on next. Let's keep the default settings and click on next. And then you can click on proceed. So 10,000 record only like take 10 seconds, I think. So then you can click on the UBS and you go to the data. So now you got 10,000 records in your localhost server, the MySQL server, and in your database, MEES 2022, and in your table, UBS. So this data has been successfully imported. And we're gonna manipulating this data through the, we can always create new script. Go to the database and so go to the SQL editor and create a new SQL script. Okay, and we'll tap all the SQL code from here. And I think I will do this during the lecture. So, okay, so that's the all the parts for the software installation and the import part. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you. By the way, you have any questions, you can come to the office hour. It's on Friday, 1:30 to 3:30. We can also we can meet via Zoom, or you want to come in person, it's fine. Just make sure you let me know in advance. And thank you and see you soon.